This is the Worksmaker X. It's a portable, cordless crafting tool, art hobby tool, DIY tool, just get creative tool. I've only had this a short time and I love it already. This Maker X kit you're looking at here is called the Ultimate Combo Kit. It comes neatly packed in a Works box, but I'm grateful for this nylon zip bag that holds everything. This is the hub. It's the power, the on and off, and in some cases speed control of the tools. The tools are powered by a Works 20-volt battery. Note Works Power Share program, which is any 20-volt Works battery will fit any 20-volt Works tool. Grateful that they do this. The hub has a 4-foot cord that tethers the hand tools. It's an easy plug-in. There's a battery and a charger included. The tools come individually boxed with a manual, a safe setup instructions, as well as use and a warranty card. Same with the hub and the charger. Read these manuals and cards and fill them out. This is the rotary tool. It's a very lightweight, easy to use, easy to change accessory tool. It's designed with a brushless motor for longer battery life, and it's designed with speed. It's variable speed, but it tops out at 35,000 RPMs. You'll get an excellent assortment of sanding discs, brushes, grinding tips. This is going to be a great hobby craft tool to go. This is the angle grinder. It comes with 3 discs, a grinding wheel, a cutoff disc for thin metals, and a sanding disc. And at 24,000 RPMs, this little mini floppy disc will carve and cut some things. You'll see some shaping take place in your hobbies and crafts. This is the metal wood crafting tool. In less than 30 seconds, it'll reach a heat to wood burn or solder. Think of having a portable soldering tool ready to go in less than a minute on the bench or out in the field. It comes with a good selection of burning and artistic tips, as well as soldering points. This is the mini heat gun. It reaches 500 degrees. Now I've used it for heat shrink, drying some artwork, or speeding up some trim adhesive on a cool day outside. I'm finding new uses every day for this mini heat gun. How about a mini battery operated airbrush? It comes in this combo kit. It's an airbrush for art, for stenciling. It's creative. Think of sets and theater stencils and props and artwork and crafts. New tool at your fingertips, battery powered. I love this tool. All of the extra accessories can be stored in the small partitioned box included. I use many Works tools in my yard. I have Works hand drills and tools, but this has put a new spin on things for me as an artist and a hobby prop builder. I think you're going to love it.